Sama Chelsea winning 4-0. Kudus 2 goals. Semenyo 2 goals.
Sir.
Child, the advance of my child. A candidates of my collar. That's I say. And the actual by 3 okay. Winning bonus is a common. Any other players no. Any players no. But technically, friends, you see through friends, everything goes well. Inti mu crowd there on sanka winning bonus mujibi. Nemo se mo trainer ye qualify we are and penny for mabaso.
Na management no mo. I no credit because obi bobo wo nya hwe o se me discussing the panel bobo no. Doesn't make sense. That's ka e boa no Ghana everything dey be e be boa.
Wo dey $5,000 e beto fu egu ka mu akoyi na car na drive from her to Chad ana. Mo be for play running Accra. Na free Ghana to Chad kra no. Bas ni coin na out back beto $5,000 for fuel.
As a Ghana team na I for bobo instead of nimu mo se first na ye nimu apia na mu Maclesian who bia Sulemuntai who John Pence John Mensa who say we mu players at least one be bobo kra who say we the gigi who say we mu dey me kopa kra me ko hwe we
the day you be so good Kudus be so good you know so Naki be so good so Bobby nkwa dey be so good team no mama obi edi enida so ewo Bobby my bia basa among the politics era team mama bibia basa ti ukodi obi achi kra na nkwase support na how support you
and penny 40 minutes say sika good play mu koma players na ya criticize players no on ba bobo a oba no moral no dey ba no pull down because on him say kro no obo obo ni yo ambo ni yo ye be twabon
Meda for the TV Sunday and the Yena say Ghana Blasters and Chad match as I can see and the Jaya 1 p.m. The Saints na the TV ye Tiago Mountain so I bisa man for more prediction and I feel so ye yanti say sports ministry I dare say winning bonus or more than management team say no or my chim ye be sending in our so one more supporting and as I say, and I want more join the first and same way now. Maybe Eddie Akosia Boajawa, John Cole. Mamma can for tap send. If I'm my house and this came from on the net, they are born my Ghana tap send. Every boy, young Casa, what they are beyond the power post and as a play store. Now I could download tap send our in process. Or maybe say I could know about the party. Eddie Asha on via CFI or transactional. Yan Toshi, name of the best amount bonus at the account. Because by the party here, Wabo the Asha, but therefore, Yenty and some amount for a worker.
Ghana will win.
With how many goals?
Oh, you need to match on bay 2-0.
2-0.
Yeah.
Is that you or GD Ghana Blaster players in the book?
Oh, they say the Morane back a crack. Now, first, no, me, I'm just saying, Liverpool fine. And tell my man, Ghana Blaster, one your man, I'm with by this time there, I said. You know, don't back a crack.
90 free sports ministry, but say a management team no winning bonus on the bomb.
Because sports ministry no much Ghana is too much. You who first will be a Jabano minister or I dear pa, and not pay me count as some show be cry. But near Japan, so what my idea. Because that may be say, would $5,000 ever to fool a good come now. Can I drive from her to Chad ana? I'm a for play running Accra. Now free Ghana to Chad Crano. Bas and coin and out back over to $5,000 for fuel. Too much, almost sika. When you must animal women and the am I no corner football? No was yeah, you try to ask me if you say almost sika buka. I'm for be any show. What did I say? Aha,
but I said that by your prediction,
oh, my prediction yet 3-0.
3-0. Who players or GD or players in the book?
Oh, your GD said the feminine back.
Okay, player Ben, I would put you send over.
Oh, the day you be so good, Kudus be so good. You just Naki be so good. So Bobby nkwa dey be so good.
This is sports ministry. They feel about to say omecha winning bonus in the management team no. Ono omo ya.
Yeah, me no wan ya adwen pa because you bia koso utumi spend budget go nkwa enye we bia na Ghana for ye sika na wo hye no nti o motwa ma ye pa mo first class kana mfama boys no ntumi mi ho na wontumi mbɔ bɔɔl no.
Ghana be win be 3-0.
3-0. Who would GD or Ghana Blaster players?
Oh yeah, sure. Because also recently I want say team na sasa. And this is first, So yeah, they say name is sasa. I believe say by 3-0 there. I say nothing so away no more. Away match. Say home there, I want some by home. They show more 5. I want to back up and the child there. Everyone say more a child. They can't do some young kola. But I say. And the actual by 3 okay. Yeah.
Players in the mood end there, Pana. Oh, send that they go. We finish.
Oh, and then maybe say Inaki Beshe go.
Inaki Beshe.
Semenyo.
Okay.
Antoine Semenyo Beshe go. Kudus Beshe go. Is any part say Inaki, Antoine Semenyo, Anna Mohammed Kudus. Anna may expect to say on Beshe goes. Nina. Bejuani.
Okay. And here if sports ministry and say winning bonus or the management team and say o matchim say bisa say onu omo ya adwin.
Oh, many omo ya adwin because and na be motivate players no so ama omo nya ahode bi dey about so on say wo ye bibi na say bibi ta ochi a wo dey ahokeka ne ahode nyina ntino at least something small and no shame crime. But so much crowd there, Emfa, until more comrade you. I'm not asking on you home view.
That's a sound here.
50 to be able to my uni. By which my West crab draw by win by West bear draw.
They say, no, winning player be a bit me a mouth go.
Siankasa Ghana team na ayefrefe kobo ense nimu o se first na ye nimu apia na mu McLean hu bia Sulemuntai hu John Pence John Mensa hu se we mu ye players at least won be bobo kra hu se we ndo gigi hu mu se we mu de me kopa kra me ko hwe we but this time no de hu se dan ti di players asabe omo ye nimu omo aye obi ka se Kudus bia Thomas Partey Jordan you omo na well, maybe one West bear draw by win the window. By win the meeting cast 1-2-0, 2-1, but the West bear draw.
Okay. Usha Sports Ministry, they feel about say winning bonus on Modema management team no much. No, me.
Pa. Na management no more. Because players no go more no. Management team go mo discussing players no. Maybe I like to be a course. It was a World Cup and I so already we knock out management team committee. Score back kind almost say I don't know so by no club because Obi Bobo oh yashi was a discussing the panel Bobo no. Doesn't make sense. That's guy Boano Ghana everything there be a boy. You were players also England cry kai two since I call World Cup Ghana cry na yen discuss Bobosian near bonus cry a Joss England for. I was dedicating who's idea me yam mine. Sikandi ope ba nyi me pe o man no yen Ghana mileage e na o ma ko abuchiri so kwakobobo du ko no ko ba wo ba o man ni mu de o so yire hu ne bo Sikandi ope ska ba pe o ho ne fabra what I say ndi no true o twemo no ano no
So Monton team no.
Omonton Ghana Blasters.
Monton.
Ade.
Say nya papa. Monton 24 no madi musika nyina awie. So Monton na team no Monton level floor.
By and there winning say Ghana Blasters and the Chad ball match.
Winning. David.
By my country or mobile. I Ghana in there Ghana team there. O prediction here day.
Me de mini bibia me kan fa. If the team no mama obi edi enida so ewo mo biem. My bibia basa. I want the politics era team mama bibia basa. Ti ukodi obi achi kra na nkwase a support na how support to the team dey be ya Omonton good team no na fa omo form the foforo mum na beboa na mo yi say politics na wo no film unless adia enkoda team dey kwadi mu da.
My sentia abeta bontin say sports ministry da ba say raining bonus a omo dey man pay for so matwem ono omo ya
no dem no omo ya adwen the benefit don be di no madi dada enti no se mutwa mukra na omukra enti no de mutwa mukra na eni kwa agra se nkomo mu di ball na chikra akoko rebi ezo mo pamom na supporters na fa prayers na fa nko am pamom panifo ni fi akire supporters na betimi ahwe prayers na za mo mabobo no pamom panifo ni na so mo di omachi fa so bi edi so mo di omachi
Ghana bomb match and a Chad. What expectation then?
Oh, me Ghana be share 3-0.
Ghana be share 3-0. Oje Ghana.
I mean, you say players no say you share Semenyo ni Kudus ni Patemu. Omo ya de pa no me say 3-0 there Chad be there.
Okay. Sisi no share sports ministry mo a dey say nti your mother aba ne say winning bonus omo de man pay for say ba say Ghana Blasters omo kobo match no mo win a ye de ma wo mo de say omo twem ono omo ya
no omo ya de pa because I share hu here maybe omo jiskedi omo ministry no omo eduma omo eduma suani nti ye pa say omo ya cancel
Obejuma nse
share suani sa
it's omo cancel no de ono omo ya
me no omo ya de
okay matime da so ne
me se me das
ode
Mr. Mankwa me wo fase wo say ni sika bane e de awie ni project no eso de bia me wo fase ka ma ne wo problem
enemremu na monte tap sending kan
no so ne de
tap send here easy fast and secured way ubetimi send this sika free amanone aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account untia transfer fee bia
sa a wo be ne say
kire ne say won ko app store na play store on download the tap send app no or download ya ebebu sanso promo code o ma de pet TV shim obenya €5 £5 and answer $10 on his first transfer
ene me kwa friend aka a kire
tabi minyanwie esan say tap send at the good news aba tap send the gina ne customers wonti or the tap send wallet aba
no be ne say
so your customer wo UK sisi a ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet wo so enti se rate ne kosora now the sika kogu wallet no anase mpo betimi atosusu nkakra enti abere sema opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase oba o my Ghana mu a watimi ayusu sika e wo wallet no tie
ene se te say yusu momo Ghana hayiru
sa pepepe se si tap send atre na shim kopiem wo United Arab Emirates Netherlands and Austria tap send na papa no
ode you I mean so on chain what to say
nyame adom na mpai boy mo ade
ye da cheda mponyankopon ase and de nyame ya adom Ghana Black Stars or more any charge is ya kind then I was expecting
we expecting more goals.
Okay.
First of all mamenka RIP to Abu Governor ni kwashibu so tu mfo nyina memo yako but ene Ghana be wini e dey ahye nanimonyam that I say I dedicate our incoming win so much I say winning 4-0 Kudus 2 goals Semenyo 2 goals
sa uji Ghana Blasters edi Kudus ne Semenyo no uji omudi pa
se Blaster tete say po a
okay
I would and I remember my mama I be support because there is one thing to be a patriotic citizen, okay, and then the other thing to be a foolish person. Sorry to say that. Mint in Ghana, as a Ghanaian, born and bred in Ghana. Mama Nkase, Chad Besha Ghana. Look, we are the gateway to Africa.
okay
We are the gateway to Africa. West Africa in independence first. It remember Jaime Mikro Papana, Nakupon Sirayan. Look at the talent we have. And you think it's because we are not being patriotic, we don't support them. We like criticisms, like young criticize Anna, Kudus or Kwabrocha or Bebo. Look, facilities are we don't facilitate proper measures for the players to play. You understand? And since Obama went to me on the best, share Ubetimide Accra Sports Stadium. I compare even Nordjylland full stadium and FC Paris team kitwe what I say and you know sometimes say your mom na you who say penifo na boy abro players na mo nya hwe and penifo timi say sika go play mu koma players na ya criticize players no on ba bobo a oba no moral na ode ba no pull down because when him say kro na oba bon obo ni yo ambo ni yo ye be twabon
okay
we have to stop that attitude and learn how to engineer positive energy into our players. So that Bobo and Amayan so Yeniaje. And yeah, first they be Europeans no. Yenya de na ebe hwepa. Ntimpanifo na mo. Boys and the omonya hwe me support you me na mo uniform aye.
Na onim say sisi no mpanifo de sports ministry asema mo de abetu dwa ne say winning bonus aya mo de ma mpanifo ne say o matwam. Wo ne say
nyansade you see ofiti preko pe pone osia moja na eba. First no say anibie no na wo fam kakra. Enti ase enema bia nkoko yi sesiano you understand things are moving well small we are in a new age ntamu so mutu kwa mu hu niema minjin this Argentina be frel and England be it is an honor to be called to the national team. It's an honor because unum Ghanaian players are Ghanaian players are Ghana hampo. So if you get the chance to play, you have to give your 100%, and we should also support them 100%. So obi awasa paon. Or yeah, dey be near boy and someone ko do yiru. E mani benya energy be say hey, say obetimi aye. You understand? Omutimi bo abrochire. Ema, omuji player of the week, player of the month. LED goal king. And then they change it. So winning bonus na sem na mo kan. Mpenifo no now we bobo ama ukuro you are serving your nation and you want us to pay you. Okay. Enti ano de anya se ko bobo no kwa mo musika anya se mo once the plane ticket kwa so mo de musika twaba. Okay. Omo be bobo no so no musika twaba. Yes. Okay. Because usivi so say ka se obo national team it makes your CV very credible. Okay. Ebe boa. Enti entran ka se man twa me ka mama me bonus no ma dije no. Wallahi enko players ni botom. Okay. Aye pani bi na ye be fa player we akobo a. Instead say ye be choose players no munim ball ne ball. As we me player because so the player ne ba. The player no bi o je monthly salary aboche ska kese. Enti sa $500,000 bi na $200,000 na de be man na nya ne twe. Unim sika Thomas Partey jiwa we no ajiwa Arsenal kudu sunim sika oje discussing a week sika do so saying your president sika. Okay. Then this bonus na enko mo bottom ayempanifo na na omo de omo ba e sense am no de ne ba ye ntino sa bonus no player ne credit me ka sanya dey onfa player ne credit PM because most of them want to play for the national team. It is hard to enko there some company o say ministry no mo twem. And thank community me back around near to Shiregu almost. Omahunu nyansa ma nyansa de. Chem no. Ya min shira o me damas.
The Blasters be win 3-2.
Oh, okay. Na player Bena wo ni mujidi say and obeshegu.
Kamaldeen Sulemana. Okay. Mohamed Kudus. Okay. And Ebia Inaki Williams.
The beshegu no. Okay, 98 Sports Ministry ban say. And they say no, a year winning bonus on what the management team or my chim. Oh no, my yash.
They say this on team. And when there was some of the players because some of these are winning bonus. Yeah, they need some team.
That say when you're okay. Ghana Blasters say Chad airborne match.
Handicap 2. For Chad.
2.
Handicap 2. For Chad.
Yeah. Na player Ben a wo ni buchidi
Antoine Semenyo
na why
ni bia Mohamed Kudus.
Yeah. Okay. Nti na wo mu jire se na mbeshegu
hopefully but this year Blasters ni the enkoyi ka
okay.
Oh na de ya jiri se betumi awe ni match no ya jiri se betumi awe na momo no Yes, Coach Otuado. Say Omar Kudus. On one position no bona because so here Kudus or a winger. Until Udini ball Milford na. Now is the game. Tis Omar Kudus no. a born wing na me sure say could do so but me idea. Na positively no you be win the match nene.
With how many goals?
Oh you bet me a share 3 goals. And because me share qualities of players abana. We share some new could do some we share foreign so my idea this time until a bumpire. Na positively but me a share 3 near.
Okay. Now, NTF Free Sports Ministry, but say a year winning bonus on the management team on my chim. Oh no, my yard.
Like, oh my day.
On my chim. So, more winning bonus management team.
Oh, Channel Mocham with the and no dear me, sure say bet me affected boys. No, me sure say Ghana players no winning match. Mama, you be an annual munina, and the Benyasa win bonus in be, and I say be on Matisu Cacradia. But me a short say no the Amphetium. Amphetium now. Me my dream Muslim say be in case of a Toribia on say born a dear old boy, a Toribia or say who is Casam twin chain. Now my players now Casafium mobile born.
And I got on a chat airborne match or prediction air day.
Oh, Musa Gani ever shake, minty. Be 2 dear, that's
a OGD players.
Oh, body and me papa.
The player Moody India and OGD, which is send our bit smash.
Ghana players, you know. I'm sending you.
We are born on Ghana players. Okay. See, I free kind of say ministry, by NSA, sports ministry, by NSA, saying winning bonus on what the man pay for, and so much.
And I have a Matty. Young chum. The same thing I was supporting. I'm a fine baby for a
Well, Ghana have to win. You know, Ghana is always been a winning country, so you know they have to put more effort to make us proud. You know, this match, yeah. Sure, Ghana have to win. We win them. Yeah.
You more say.
Oh, at least 5-3. You know, 3-5 actually. Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah.
3-5.
Yeah, I do have the confidence that Ghana have to. You know.
Wow. Yeah. Okay, players Ben now also say okay, player wait dear no go.
Well, Jordan Ayew is there. Yeah, definitely he might score 2 goals for us, and I think Kudus too have to, you know. So yeah, okay. There's hope.
Okay. And here Free Sports Ministry and say Sisiano yeah winning bonus on the management team no watch him.
Well, okay. I don't have problem with that, but if it will not cause any damage, you know, to the players, you understand, it will bring the satisfaction of the players' need, you know, that's it. We don't have any opinion for that.
A win for Black Stars, but I can't tell the number of goals they will score.
Sports Ministry, the few other mobile say no winning bonus on them management team no say no match him. No my
yeah, because the main technical team for no yes say omo dey matches say omo twem eno dey me na aban ya adwen yeah e say ebinu omo di team na chi kwa omo nye ibia mboa team no then dey say omo twem am me okay with that.
Ghana Blaster win by 2-0.
2-0. Players were now who expect to send the Ombeshego.
Kudus
pay. The Kudus Besha how many goals?
2.
Obeshe 2. Now it will be to flash about one account.
Only Kudus.
Hey. Oh, okay. I see.
Ghana will win by 3 goals to 1.
Ghana will win by 3 goals
to 1.
It's the players there now who to send by all miss for Bayewi.
Oh, Kudus special 2 goals and Thomas Pateso. Kudus special 2 goals and Thomas Pateso show 1 goal.
Okay. Sir. So since here free a sports ministry by they say you know a winning bonus on the man pay for the so much only or my
oh they be only so much himself.
Okay.
Because I ask no yeah players so much chicho mu. Ni so much himself dey be hard.
Na the match Say na o expect.
Oh, Ghana be winning, be show me training.
How many name?
Training.
3 name. Sir.
Aba cry training.
Which Ghana Blasters?
Oh, medium defense.
Players.
Players in the minimum with the bat. The Ghana in just supporting me Ghana. It's be winning.
Chade for no we say omulusu je omba ya show mo de nanso de be biara Ghana be winning. Ghana be din kunu yan show mo kra ye be mienu ana miensa e wo Chade wo mkru ba receive say Ghana be machine e be show mo pa
okay na uji Ghana Blasters uji wo mudi pa
oh meji wo mudi
players de na uji
oh Thomas Partey or Antoine Semenyo Kudus Mohamed Jiram goalkeeper no so friends Benjamin Asare so or Jinjin obehwe Ashra Atizi gi wo achi anan so aba no so obo na omodi bia de no betum bia ye de empire bo ne yesunsum beto omochi because o man ye man so say de yesunsum to omochi no mudi nkunu ma na ye ne die ye de ana ne nkunu die ni ayi bia de baba ye de ana nkunu die score mo de be ma ya ne nkunu die on bi dia ma ye ne be ma ye de aji
say a free sports ministry e ba ne say I dey say winning bonus o mo de man pay for say o ma twam oni o mo ya adwen
ne no kre sa winning bonus dey so mu twam say ye be mo winning bonus ye be mo pay dem bonus dey na enko mo winning bonus one dey na twam
empayfo na de ma wo
empayfo dey no empayfo dey so mu twam ye nyina ye bre do mo so mo kan ye won ye mre bi no dey say nti empayfo dey do mo twam ye ba blaster dey ne dey say ye man wo wa ni nyina ye mo ma ne nko so just pay dem no dey empayfo dey ye twam no dey ye
uji Ghana Blasters players maybe
oh ye jomudi ya nje mudi an hwana enkoji ndi ye ntumi koji wi Burkina Faso ndi ye ntumi koji France wi Togo ndi ye man mu aye we o say ye je o man ni di na ya hwede ye oban no betumi aye amaye so ye din akọ viral nti ji product ni
players dey India ifa na ojide woni mu say na obeshego
oh and that there I say me resume say we Inaki Williams oh wango obviously they surprise Ghana for okay yeah Inaki Williams oh wango na Nesnyama so be kativa kwashim Nesnyama so be kativa kwashim kudus ni semenyomo be work ball no pate be gina mfimfi won a control mfimfi won mo na me say Inaki be so
Martina, entire free sports ministry eba ne say eye winning bonus amode ma empaying for say o matwam ono o ya
okay empaying for technical team na
technical team
okay yajitum so because one omo I say winning bonus say come on any the players no but technical team friends we you see through friends everything goes well. Inti mu crowd there on sanka winning bonus mu gibi na emu se mo trainer ye qualify wi a na penifo abomabaso ye trainer ye qualify wi a na ya abomabaso se winning bonus na friends say omo de be ma players no to encourage them to do better work than what they are doing na ye gidi se friends we se omo twa penifo ndi na ye
Mr. Mankwa me office was any scabania de awie ni project no eso de bia me office ka mane wo problem
enemremu na monte tap sending kan
no so ne de
tap send here easy fast and secured way ubetimi send this free amanone aba Ghana bank account and as a mobile money account untia transfer fee bia
sa a obaye ne say
kire ne say won ko app store na play store on download the tap send app no or download ya ebebu sanso promo code o ma de pet TV shim obenya €5 £5 and answer $10 on his first transfer
ene me kwa friend aka akire
tabi minyanwie esanse tap send at the good news aba tap send the gina ne customers wonti or the tap send wallet aba
no obey ne say
so your customer wo UK sesia ubetimi akọ tap send app no no create wallet wo so enti se rate ne kosora now the sika kogu wallet no anase mpo betimi atosusu nkakra enti abre sema opeso send sika ba Ghana no anse wa send sika na ba Ghana anase oba o my Ghana mu what in here you sika e wo wallet no tia
and you said to say you sumo mo Ghana hayru
sa pepe say see a tap send that trainer shim kopiem wo United Arab Emirates Netherlands and Austria tap send na papa no